and a half, two and a half, three and a half. Students, one whole thing and one half makes one and a half. For example, one whole and one half make one and a half in fraction. We write it as 1 into 1 upon 2 and read as 1 and a half. 2 whole and 1 half makes 2 and a half. म्हणजेच 2 whole and 1 half मिळून 2 and a half होतात. In fractions we write 2 into 1 upon 2 and read it as 2 and a half. 3 whole and 1 3 makes 3 and a half. In fractions we write it as 3 into 1 upon 2. 4 whole and 1 half makes 4 and a half. It is written as 4 into 1 upon 2. 1 and 3 quarter, 2 and 3 quarters, 3 and 3 quarters. Students, एका ऑब्जेक्टचे होल पार्ट आणि दुसऱ्या ऑब्जेक्टचा 3 क्वार्टर पार्ट मिळून 1 and 3 quarters होतात. In fraction we write it as 1 into 3 upon 4 and read as 1 and 3 quarters. 2 whole and 1 3 quarters make 2 and 3 quarter. In fraction it is written as 2 into 3 upon 4 and is read as 2 and 3 quarters. 3 whole and 1 3 quarter make 3 and 3 quarters. In fraction it is written as 3 into 3 upon 4. Now let us solve some sums and practice. आता सरावासाठी काही गणिते सोडव. Read the following fractions and write them in words. खालील अपूर्णांक वाचा आणि शब्दात लिहा. 9 into 3 upon 4, 9 and 3 quarters. 2 into 3 upon 4, 2 and 3 quarters. 11 into 3 upon 4, 11 and 3 quarters. 10 into 1 upon 2, 10 and a half. 3 into 1 upon 4, 3 and a quarter. Very good. You have guessed the fractions correctly.